2008 VW T5 campervan. It's all a new build. It's 2019 T6 alloy, standard wheels on it with excellent tread on all four. Windows in the side and the back. Bodywork overall excellent condition. Fully carpeted and insulated. That's all in the previous videos. Back section here. Two really good storage areas. Shelf removed there if needed for larger, taller items. In the back here there's a touch LED, USB at the bottom. Make sure that's off. GTI fabric rock and roll bed, front and rear. Done drop down sections there for storage. Going from the bed, I managed to get hold of some GTI fabric seat covers. It is a captain's seat, the other arm's folded up there. Interior excellent condition. It's had the usual broken glove box, but I've put another glove box in. Side. Good clean carpet. Good condition actually for a 2008 van. Roof lining clean. There's some kind of power system for the phone there. I've actually connected my phone to it, so I'd imagine it works. Well, to be honest, I'm not that techie to work out if that does work as it should or not, but it's there. Excellent gearbox. 104,000 miles. Low mileage for a T5. Everything works. Air conditioning, that doesn't need regassing, it works good. 5-speed box. Clutch has been done for a dual mass flywheel. That was juddering and yeah, didn't sit right with me, so I did it. Also injectors reconditioned. I think it had chomped up on some rubbish that had gone from the EGR or the throttle body. So I ended up putting a camshaft in it, reconditioned the injectors. It's running excellently now. The bodywork guy I know is doing these in the next few days, so they'll be gone. A few little bits and pieces. He's just been too busy to get onto it. Fully carpeted, insulated. See Kevric's rock and roll bed there. Excellent mirror kit. Again on the front. Drop down, loads of storage in there. I never put anything under the beds, and that's, you take those out, bed falls forward. Insert a video of that. And the seat, toilet underneath. A new Thetford porta potty with it. I'll build the seat to go over the top of the toilets, and you'll see in the video that the seat in there with the table in the centre. You can also use that as a seat in the van. That's a setup I've got with the tabling, again covered in the same hardware in Formica as the work unit there. See, the table neatly folds up, and wasn't measured, but by chance it actually fits really well there. So if the drivers are keeping that tied back. The electrics in the cupboard. Below this here, 130 amp hour leisure battery running from the solar. That gets it up to 14.4 volts. Got a multi USB thing there I've put in. Actually two USB sockets on that. Fire extinguisher, carbon monoxide detector, and I use these fuse boards. Basically there, you can individually fuse and switch items. Battery at 12.5 at the moment, so that goes right up to 14. It's because it's been in the unit. You've got 12 volts there, voltage readouts, and two USBs there. At the moment that's roof lights, LEDs, water pump, excellent pressure there. Now I've done that into, that's the feed, that's the grey water. You can, if you put a hole in the floor, do a sort of U-bit pipe and have it going out onto the floor. I always just do the 10 litre. And then the gas cupboard there, holder, regulator, drop out. On the top section here it's fed by the copper pipe. It's all connected correctly, and that's all the instructions for everything got fitted. The lights, various modes. The only one, if I can get them to stop, the only one I tend to use when I've put these in myself is the brightness. It's really handy, you can get the brightness to come right down and back up again. And overnight that's incredibly bright. So the back of the fuse board, 30 amp breaker, so you can turn everything off, back on again. And the negative bank will go off. It means you can add more stuff or take away pretty easily. Again, push button. That's the fridge. Connected 12 volts at the moment. There's a light in there. There's also a plug that you could reach at the back. If you've got an inverter, you can run it off an inverter, 240 volts. Sliding side window. That's the first one of those I've fitted. It's actually quite good. Okay, I'll cut to the bed down and the table in.